some good things about MILISAHAIR, and this is what their wig looks like. So I have a 22-inch Brazilian water wave lace front wig. So this is what the inside looks like. It has the comb in the middle, 2 combs on the side, and 1 in the back with adjustable straps in case you need to adjust it so it can fit perfect on your head. And y'all, I'm so sick, excuse the way I sound, which is why I haven't posted in like a week. So it's just in a natural color. It says it right here on the tag, and on the back it just shows like it just tells you how to maintain the hair. I always have to bleach the knots, but the hairline looks really good. It's a pre-plucked hairline. It's not as dense or anything and bulky all in the front, but I think I'm gonna still go in and pluck a little bit. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and bleach it, pluck the front on my mannequin head. So let's just get to it. So I use the Clairol 40 developer, and I use the Clairol BW2 bleaching powder. So I went ahead and mixed my bleach in a bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots, but I'm gonna let you guys know the hair is really soft. Like, it's so pretty. Do you guys see that water wave texture from the roots all the way to the ends? It's beautiful, but I am getting some strands of the hair when I run my fingers through it. Go ahead and bleach these knots and pluck it because I can't wait to put it on. Alright, so I went ahead and put the bleach all over the lace, as you can see. So I'm going to leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to keep checking it just to make sure I don't over bleach it, and I will be back to show you guys how it looks after. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it. I already washed out the hair, well, washed the bleach out with my Shimmer Light shampoo. Go ahead and just take a small section in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin the wig down first so it doesn't move anywhere. I should have did this first, but I haven't filmed in so long, y'all. This cold has my mind all over the place. Like, I'm forgetting how to do this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and start tweezing. I go right on the lace and pull the hair down. So I'm gonna go ahead and take another section out. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. So I'm gonna do a middle part. I'm gonna position the wig, and the way I apply my wigs, y'all, I just use hairspray. I don't feel like doing the whole wig cap method, honestly. Most of the times I just use hairspray like Spritz or the Yellow Bottle Freeze Spray, just for like a quick hold for the day, because I don't sleep with my wigs or anything like that. So I don't use like bold hold or anything too extreme, because at the end of the day I'm just going to take this wig off, and it's much easier to take off when applying it this way, because all you have to do is apply some water and that's it. It just pops right off. And it's not too heavy. It's 150% density. It's really soft. I really do like the wig. I've heard good things about this hair, but I'm experiencing some shedding. So here you guys, all you see me doing is taking my foundation and I'm going to run that in my part. So right after that, I just took my Eco Style gel just to lay my edges down, and that completes this video, you guys. I will definitely have more videos for y'all after this whole cold goes away. I'm gonna go back into uploading more and more videos for y'all. If you guys are interested in MILISAHAIR, I will add their information down in the description box below. And if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video.